Hi, Jim's Little Boat. I'm Jim, and today I have kind of a unique opportunity. The boat's up in the air, it's sitting level on its water line, and I've removed the tube that goes through the volcano for the scuppers. So just for fun, I thought it would be interesting to find out how high above or below the water line the top of the scupper tube hole in the volcano is.
And with a great deal of effort, we can see that the level line is 2 inches above the top of the volcano. So there's the level line we're using, and we can see that the water line is just about 3 inches above that. Don't be fooled by that other line. That's just where I painted over the bootstrap. So that scum line is the water line, 3 inches above level. So here's how I read the data. We have a level line we established with the level. The top of the volcano is 2 inches below that level line, and the water line is 3 inches above that level line. So 3 plus 2 means that the top of the volcano is 5 inches below the water line. I guess we need to make sure that never comes out anytime we're in the water.